What's up, y'all? It's White Diesel here with you. Take a walk with me in the park today. Just on some chill shit. Relax, meditate, reflect on life, process everything. Peel back the layers, look at it, examine it. Time to just be still, and be in the now. Love it. Anyways, there's a lot to be processed actually with everything going on here in the world and all the madness that we try to endure and overcome. But I strongly encourage and recommend that you guys get out in this beautiful weather today. Even if it's not to do anything, just get out in it and be in it, you know what I'm saying? And let it do its magic, let it run its course, you know what I'm saying? Let all that clarity lighten upon you, you know what I mean? It might help a little bit if you need to get away from everything. You need to get away from friends and shit every now and then too, People that crowd you and overwhelm you with their drama and the stresses. Anyways, man, I just want to send out all my love and respect to y'all and hope you have a good day. Blessed weekend. Peace.
Dallas.